Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn about constraints and table altering in SQL. Anyways, right now I've set up two tables. So this is one of them, and this is the next one. Alright. So the first constraint is called a primary key. So like for example, if we describe the employee table, then if we describe the employee table, the emp ID here is the primary key. As you can see here in the key, it says PRI. Anyways, so yeah, you probably know what the primary key does. It's a key that's used to identify it. But there's also something called a foreign key. So let's describe the client table. This manager ID is a foreign key, and it's referring to the emp ID table on the emp ID key on the employee table. So like if you want to delete one of the employees, they can't do that yet because they still have a client attached to them. Anyway, let's just quickly review what we have in these tables. So select everything from employee. As you can see, here are the things. This is everything from clients. And here are the clients. Anyways. So anyways, let me just open this panel here. So we can alter tables. So let's just create a new table called test table. In this test table, we're just going to write name, ID is primary key, I guess. That's how we created that table. As you can see, it's a table thing. So let's expand the table. It's going to have only that ID, but we can alter the table. So altering test table. Alter table, test table, add. So let's say we're going to add a name. It's going to be a varchar. It's going to be the 40. Let's run the code. And now let's describe test table. So now when we describe it, we're going to see the new name varchar that we put there. Anyway, so we can even remove things. We're going to say alter table test underscore table remove ID. We can't remove ID. So because it's the primary key. So let's just remove the name that we just added here. Oh yeah, it's not supposed to be removed. It's supposed to be drop ID, just like how you drop tables. So now let's run the script and let's describe test table again. It's only gonna have the name, which is not a primary key. Anyways, So the last thing we're gonna do is just gonna do some queries here on these tables we have. So let's just start with select everything from employee. So no, let's select everything from clients. Right, so as you can see, two of the clients here have LLC in them. What if we want to select the ones with only LLC? Then we can use these things called wildcards. So we could activate these or something like by saying like. Right, so percentage sign means any number of characters. Underscore means one character. For example, this, if I just write a question mark sign, then that means, so I'm just gonna say where client name, like so. If I just write this, it's gonna show everything because like it's gonna be any number of characters. If I write this, it's gonna show nothing because they're like there's no one lists only one number of characters. Our original goal was to have the ones which had LLC in them. So let's do that. We're gonna have any number of characters and then LLC. As you can see, it's only two LLC for these. So let's say if we're gonna select the apply month with the average of the apply monthly sales or something like that. Okay, yeah. Well, whatever. Anyways. So let's just return it back to the percentage sign. So let's try select everything from clients. Where client monthly sales which is 4,000. As you can see, it shows only two of them. But let's say we want to find out the total of the monthly sales the clients are getting. So, say that's client monthly sales.